Hey everybody, I just wanted to take a minute to make a short video. A few videos back, in a response video to Jesse over at Distilling, I said that when I found videos that I thought would be interesting to the people who are watching this channel, I would make a video and share those. So Randy over at Stillworks and Brewing is doing like a weekly video right now called, what is he calling it? Distilling Trivia, I think is the name of it, where he just asks 6 or 7 questions and you kind of write down on a piece of paper. He gives you multiple choice answers. You write down on a piece of paper what it is. And then at the end of the video, he goes through and tells you what the answers were, which they're a lot of fun. I've seen three of them so far, 3 or 4, I can't remember, but they're a lot of fun. You just get to write down your answers and see what you missed at the end. And I think they're really good, especially for the beginner, because the questions that he's asking aren't real tough, and they're if you know the right answer, it's useful information. And so even if you don't get the answer right, maybe you have to guess. At the end, you're going to get the answer, and then you're going to know. So I think it's really good, especially for our audience here at Still in the Clear, where I think most of the people are beginners and they're just jumping into this hobby. And I think it would be really useful. So I'm going to put that link down in the show notes. And I think you should go check it out. I think you'll enjoy it. Randy has a lot of other cool stuff on his channel. He's always making different kinds of recipes of brandies and whiskeys, and he's got a sweet potato bourbon wash that I want to try. So he's got some great stuff on his channel. I think you should go check it out. And like I said, I'll put a link in the show notes to the playlist, and then after you watch those, see if you like them, check out his channel. That's all I got. I'll see y'all later.